Lifts 6 and 7 at Uptown. Just boring old modded EPLs. Haven't filmed these for a while.
Level 2, customer service. Going up.
Going up? Yep. Nice and Yeti EPLs.
Level 2, parents room. Going down.
With MEILLER doors.
Parents room. Going down.
Thank you.
Okay.
Where are we gonna go? Let's see.
That's a legal outfit.
Okay.
Here?
Level
Yeah.
2, customer service. Going down.
Nice and speedy, but still slower than the old ones. Old ones are very fast and impressive.
Level 8,
Very busy, even though there's 3 sets.
car park 4, red level. Going up.
We've got to Q. I think it was modernised around 2012, 2013. 1990 kilograms, 25 persons. Couldn't tell you how fast these are.
Level 2, customer service.